Omothe uma muthenya wa mwanya kuri ahotani thiini wa ikiro ngurani cia mambura ma mithako ya ngerekano maria makoretwo magithie na mbere kaunti-ini ya Nakuru. Omothe arutwo aya mekunyititwo ugeni thingira-ini wairegi kaunti-ini ya Nakuru kuria mauma na mweke wa kuonania taranda ciao mbere ya mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto rundu umwe na maafitha angi thirikari-ini.
My umbrella, I played with all my might.
Akiaria hindi ya igongona riri mutongoria wa bururi ndanaga kuhutiriria githagathago kiria kiragumeire mambura ma mwaka uyu kuria arutwo kuma thukuru wa airitu wa Butere marigiriirio gukinyaniria muthako wao wa Echoes of War.
Unfortunately, when some politicians heard that there were promotions of teachers because of arts, they also wanted to come and participate. But I want to tell them it is only limited to teachers. The promotion is only limited to teachers. It doesn't go to politicians. Politicians tutakutana nao huko nje.
Ruto akioneka kumurika atongoria ake uteti na kumuria metheme kuingiria uteti mathukuru-ini.
We must say no to people who want to corrupt our children with negative ethnicity and negative politics. We are a great nation, and there is more to celebrate as Kenyans than the negativity that some of us want to drive.
Ona gutuika mithako ino ya ngerekano ni hete arutwo wiyathi wa kuingiria, thirikari augite ndikuhe kanya atongoria ake uteti kuhuthira arutwo gukinyaniria matanya mao ma kiuteti.
As leaders, as parents, as teachers, we must also protect our children from pedophiles and drug peddlers and predators who want to corrupt our children. And I will not allow this nation to go down the drain for the people who are pursuing their own selfish and narrow interests.
Thirikari niranire guthie na mbere kugacirithia ngathi ciothe cia mathomo niguo kuhe kanya arutwo gukuria taranda makiria thiini wa gikiro gia senior schools. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.